Hello guys, today's question is find first set bit. Question says that given an integer n, the task is to return the position of first set bit found from the right side in the binary representation of a number. So let's suppose here example taken, which is n equals to 18 is given. So the binary representation of 18 is 0 1 0 0 1 0. So from the right side we have to return set bit, which is 1. So from the right side there is a first position, second position. So there is a at the second position where the bit is set, so we have to return the count of that particular position. So the here position is 2, so we have to return in case of 18 2. So let us take another example, which is given here 12. So let us take example 12. So if n is equals to 12, so the binary representation of 12 is 1 1 0 0. So the from right side we clearly see that the set bit is the position of 0 1 2 3. So the set bit is the position of 3, so we have to return answer 3. So by observing this we conclude that the basic approach is know the binary representation of that number and we traverse from the right side. If the set bit is found, then we simply return the count of our variable. So that is the basic approach. So let us implement that using the bits operation. Okay, by implementing we know that we also initialize a variable, we count the in which position the set bit exists. So we simply going to the create a variable which is count is equals to 0. Initially initialize a count is equals to 0, and we going to the number which is going to a while loop when n greater than 0, and in this while loop we check last bit of that number. How we check the last bit that number? We going to the AND operation to the that number, AND operation to add 1. If number bitwise AND to 1, that means this is 1, that means the last position of that set bit if equals to 1, that means that count we reach at the set bit, then we simply return that position which is count plus 1, because count is 0 and now we going to the position, so count plus 1. Don't worry, we explain this in the next step so you can clearly understand. Now if there is no n and 1 equals to 1, that means else, that means there is a 0 in set bit, then we going to count plus plus, we increase the count and we going to the left right shift our number, so we can get the next bit of our number. So how we going to the next bit? We going to the right shift, which is right shift of n to 1. So we going to the right shift of number to 1. Now after performing this, if there is a no set bit found, that means count equals to 0, that means we simply return 0 according to answer. If there is no set bit, simply we return 0, and there is set bit found, then we simply return CNT plus 1. So no means of return here. Okay, so now successful compile and run the code. Now see what happens. So you can see that we get expected output. Now submit the code. So you can see all test case passes. So that is how we solve this question. So let us discuss with one example so you can clearly understand. So let us take example of 18, which is 18 given here. The binary representation of 18 is 0 1 0 1 0, which is 16 plus 2 18. So the binary representation of 18 is given here. Now in this question, what we doing? We doing the AND bitwise AND operation, that number to 1. If you going to the bitwise AND operation of this number, which means 0 1 0 0 1 0, and we going to the bitwise operation, which is 1 here, and bitwise AND operation, what we do? 0 and 1 bitwise, which is 0. That means we find 0, all this becomes 0. So there is, that means there is no set bit at the last position. So if there is no set bit at the last position, we going to increase the count, and we going to the right shift our number, which is n right shift equals to 1. So by right shifting, what will be happen? This number. So by right shifting, this 0 get cancelled and this will remain, which is becomes 0 1 0 1. This becomes for right shift of this number. Again we check if bitwise and to 1, which is 1 to 1 becomes 1, and this 0. So we get the 1, which is, if there is a 1 get, then we simply return count plus 1. That means count is in here becomes 1, and now here we simply return count plus 1, which is 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So our answer becomes 2. So that is how we simply going to solve this question. We going to the bitwise and the right shift of the number. So that is how we match this question to a bitwise magic. So I hope you clearly understand the concept. Thank you.